not gonna say anything. Why not?
Cause it's how I like my mukbangs.
You're not going to introduce yourself at the beginning.
Oh yeah. Welcome back to Eating with Brie. Today we'll be eating some Popeyes.
But yeah, they start eating.
If I eat all my chicken, can I get some of your chicken? Was it worth? Was the wait worth it?
No.
Mm-mm.
Or do you do it the other way so you can start to charge it?
Did you ever start having Popeyes? How was it?
I waited too long.
So you don't like it?
The wait was too long.
Let me have that drum. Okay. I don't like ketchup. That's offensive. Not on my chicken. I don't like ketchup on my chicken. Or you better see me eating on my fries. I don't probably eat on his homemade fries. Let me have that. The one thing about doing.
You don't have to sit on your knee.
Yes, I do.
Why?
How about him?
Because you're short.
I'm so uncomfortable. Today we're going in with the KFC hot sauce.
Why are you whispering now? You already talking normally. Hello, kid. That's the spicy one.
Can I try? This is a spicy breast. It's dry. So I have grease. Right?
medicine. Thank you.
How long did it take us to get this food?
Hours.
It took us 30 minutes.
It was a 30.
Guess it was. How long?
How long?
No, it wasn't.
Wish we would be left there at 9:40, 19:40.
It was an hour? It was an hour.
What time is it?
I don't know. Look on your phone. Probably almost an hour, but it went an hour.
Oh yeah, it's an hour. Okay, make me some more.